everyone. For today's video, I will show you on how to blend the colors in MsPaint. For your canvas size, you need to uncheck the maintain aspect ratio. And next, click the pixel. For horizontal size, I use 987, and for vertical, I use 552, and then click OK. And then next step, click lines to create or to make 4 columns. When you're done, click the fill color. When you're done, go to pixel and change the vertical into 5. And then click OK. And then when you're done, go back to pixel and uncheck the maintain aspect ratio and change the vertical into 552 and click OK. And now you can see the smooth blending of the colors. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.